Hey guys, what's up? Good morning from Coimbatore once again. Today is my last day in Coimbatore. I'm checking out right now at around 10 a.m. So the plan is to go to Ooty, but first, before that, I have to actually go to the airport to pick up my Zoomcar, my self-driven car. Then we'll head off to Ooty. And somewhere in the middle, there is that RT-PCR test which I have booked from a local clinic, which the guy is supposed to come at 9. So lot of activities to be done. So I woke up very early. It's almost 6:45. Alright guys, RT-PCR has been done. I have taken delivery of the Zoomcar from the airport, and now I'm all set, all ready, done all the packing and ready to check out. The stay in Taj Vivanta in Coimbatore has been very pleasant. I'd like to thank Danish for this amazing hospitality he has provided to me. I'd like to also thank the hotel's staff who has made my stay even more comfortable, especially Mr. Tiwari, Mr. Karunakaran and Durgesh, who are really top people. Big thanks to you guys. If you're watching this, I really want to thank you for making my stay very comfortable, and the breakfast is very good. Do have the omelette. The live counter is awesome. Nice boulevard of roads. That is the place which is the running area where people run. Let me just show you properly. Just outside Coimbatore city. It's actually Coimbatore rural. The town is called Idigarai or something. We have done almost 30 kilometers, have around 65 to 70 more to go. So total distance, it says 90, but total, if you calculate the time to get out of the city, it's around 110 to the hotel. And we are in the outskirts, in the rural Tamil Nadu countryside. Beautiful countryside. Tamil Nadu, of course, is known for its automotive hub. Coimbatore city has given us two of India's only Formula 1 drivers. I mean, there are only two of them, Narayan Karthikeyan and Karun Chandok. They're all from Coimbatore. Coimbatore city has rich automotive history, textile, cotton, machinery, of car companies including Tata, Mahindra, Renault, Nissan. A lot of car companies have their assembly units in Tamil Nadu. There's a recent place called Sri Perumbudur outside Chennai. And Coimbatore people are really very car savvy, car centric. I've seen one of the most latest cars they are driving, not just the luxury ones of BMW, Mercedes, but also cars which generally people don't buy, only an enthusiast buy. For example, the Abarth Punto. I've seen so many Abarth Puntos while I was driving. It is actually a car which did not do well because of its fuel efficiency. I saw cars like Skoda Karoq, Skoda Kushaq, Skoda Kodiaq. So needless to say, people down here south are crazy about cars. And Coimbatore especially is leading the pack that way. By the way, did I show you my car? That's my car, guys. I found some shade and parked it here. It's a Mahindra KUV. The cheapest hatchback I could find from Zoomcar. Mahindra KUV is obviously not the best looking Zoomcar. It did do very good sales actually, mainly because of its look. So that's why it's kind of a weird looking car, like a matchbox. But what it lacks in looks, it makes it up with practicality. Let me show you. Just show you what it misses out in your looks. It makes up in its practicality a lot. First thing is, it's really high mounted gear. The gear is over here. Generally cars have the gear here, but the gear is over here, giving you a kind of ease of access. It is a very high car. This raised sitting gives you a feel that you're actually driving a far more bigger car, like an SUV, while you're driving while what you're driving is actually a hatchback. This raised seating improves visibility and gives you a commanding experience on the road. The handbrake also, if you see, it's a bit non-conventional. Generally handbrakes are somewhere around here. The handbrake over here is actually something like this. You have to pull it and release it, turn and release, and it will go. And when you have to use the handbrake, just pull it. Pretty unconventional place to keep the handbrake. And did I just explain, kind of show you this armrest? This is actually something like this. It's kind of a third seat, but when you're not carrying 2-3 people in the front, you can also use this second seat to double it up as an armrest. Let me show how. It's a bit of a struggle, really. And there you have it, folks. An armrest while driving. Isn't this the most comfortable driving position? Like you're driving, you're cruising at 100 kilometers per hour, your hand on the steering, foot on the pedal to metal, music blaring, AC's on, and you're relaxed. You're heading to Ooty. Isn't that nice? I'm enjoying it. Looks doesn't matter, practicality matters in this. Let's head to Ooty. Currently at the town of Mettupalayam, which is the borders of Coimbatore district with Nilgiri district. After this, Nilgiri district starts, and over there are the two twin hill stations, Ooty and Kunnur. There's something about South India which is synonymous with yellow. I mean, their autos are yellow, their trucks are yellow, their buses are yellow, Chennai Super Kings is yellow, Kerala Blasters is yellow. I think yellow is, into the social fabric of South India. Of course, yellow is a colorful color, and the culture, food, everything about South India is just so colorful. Okay. ये check post है यहाँ. This is the Nilgiri district starting, so we have to pay at toll. कितना हुआ? 70. Okay. Post. I thought they'll ask for my e-pass, but they didn't. They only took 70 rupees green tax because this is a protected area, wildlife area, and to keep this area plastic free, and for the upkeepment of this area, because it's a fragile ecosystem, they charge this green tax. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that giddy button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we on the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up, you gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Just stopped me. I couldn't shoot there. They asked for RT-PCR negative report and your Tamil Nadu e-pass. So do have your e-passes ready when you are driving here. Auto people just entered Kunnur, the second hill station, and immediately the tea gardens have started, as you can see around me. So Ooty must be another 10 kilometers or maybe 15 kilometers at the most. Really excited. I used to think these places are famous for coffee, but it seems it's both coffee and tea.
Turn right to stay on Eteens Road, Nagapattinam, Coimbatore, Gundlupet Highway.
We have entered Ooty.
Continue on Nagapattinam, Coimbatore, Gundlupet Highway for 2 kilometers.
In proper Ooty town. This looks like the center of the town. Now I have to find my hotel, which is around 2 kilometers from here. Already the major tourist sites, the signboards to those tourist sites can be seen. I've reached around 2 hours back. I was feeling too tired and immediately took some nap and had my lunch, late lunch. So let me give you a hotel and room tour. Staying at Olive Pleasant Stays in Kandal, Ooty. This is the reception area. Now how old is this hotel, madam?
3 years.
3 years. 3 years. So pretty new property. It has a very cozy kind of a reception, and I'll quickly show you the room where I'm staying. Don't mind. I have started to unpack. Having a water kettle with some complimentary tea sachets. You have a little bit of a small cabinet to keep your stuff. Bed, king size here. Looks comfy. TV. I'm gonna watch a lot. Premier League starting today. There's the mirror. Bathroom. It's basic, but it's clean. We have a balcony also. The view outside is okay. There are a few residential houses and some homestays, and there's a nice meadow up. Not a meadow, sorry. Nice hillside, which is clearly you can see there is some step farming going on over there. Overall, the day is very overcast and cloudy. It has started to rain also today. Needless to say, Ooty is cold. It's around 18 degrees right now. At night it will be around 10 or 11 degrees. I have a jacket. I brought warm clothes with me. I've come prepared. The only thing is I was feeling very tired after driving for 100 kilometers through winding roads. There was so many hairpins. It was a thrilling ride, but it tires you a lot. This entire property is costing me 2,000 rupees per night. This is very primarily located. It's just 300 meters from the main chalk, so I don't have to go very far. There's also a nice bar down there. I heard, the madam told me, there's a nice bar right down the road, and I think I'll head to it in an hour or so. It's almost 5, so आज कोई sightseeing तो नहीं हो पाएगी. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कल से ही स्टार्ट करूँ. आज थोड़ा फील लूँ, थोड़ा पैदल घूमूँ, थोड़ा बार जाऊँ. Mostly many things are closed in Ooty. The main tourist attractions, I think if out of 10, the top 10 tourist attractions, maybe only 4 are open. So that also helps a bit. It's not like you are having FOMO. You have to jump from one spot to other spot. I'll take my own time and start sightseeing tomorrow. तो आज के लिए इतना तक ही. कल साइटसीइंग में मिलते हैं तब. लाइक करो वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब, hit the bell icon, comment what you feel like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.